Welcome back to Carver's. Today we're looking at one of the most exclusive and jaw-dropping vehicles on the road, the 2026 Marchi Motorhome. This isn't just a home on wheels, it's a high-tech luxury mansion built into the body of one of the most futuristic machines ever crafted. The Marchi Motorhome is all about unmatched design, elite-level engineering, and a presence that turns every head it passes. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about arriving like no one else. From the outside, the Marchi looks like it was designed by a team of architects, race engineers, and maybe a few science fiction writers. The design is unlike any other motorhome on the planet. It's built with a sleek aerodynamic body inspired by aviation and supercar aesthetics. Up front, the huge panoramic windshield flows seamlessly into the body, with integrated LED lighting across the face, slimline cameras in place of mirrors, and a grille that lights up with animated motion on startup. It's more spaceship than RV, and every detail screams high-end precision. The chassis is crafted from lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber elements, keeping this massive structure rigid and efficient. Active air suspension lowers the vehicle when parked, while the sides feature two massive expandable slide-outs to create a larger interior footprint. There's a full-length retractable awning, frameless tinted glass, hidden storage compartments, and even a pop-up rooftop lounge deck that emerges with the press of a button. Now, stepping inside is like entering a modern luxury loft. The interior of the 2026 Marchi Motorhome is designed for VIP comfort. Think Italian marble floors, hand-stitched leather seating, real wood paneling, and custom lighting accents that run throughout the cabin. The front lounge is dominated by a curved modular sofa that can adjust positions or transform into beds. A retractable 65-inch OLED TV rises from the console, and the motorhome's sound system is tuned by Bang & Olufsen, delivering audiophile-grade quality wherever you park. The driver's cabin is ultra-futuristic. A wraparound digital cockpit shows everything from navigation to performance data, and you control most systems with a central touchscreen, voice commands, or even gestures. The captain's chairs are fully adjustable with massage, heating, and cooling functions. The windshield can double as a heads-up display, projecting live information and rear views directly in front of the driver. Toward the center, the kitchen features all the amenities of a modern condo. Full-sized smart fridge, dual induction burners, a steam oven, hidden drawers with automatic openers, and a fold-out dining table with seating for four. Above, there's a built-in skylight that brings natural light during the day and LED constellation lighting at night. The spa-style bathroom includes a rainfall shower with a glass enclosure, stone countertops, a backlit mirror, and a smart toilet with heated seat and bidet functions. Further back is the private master suite, featuring a king-size bed, wall-mounted smart screen, walk-in closet, and full sound insulation for total peace and privacy. There's even a hidden storage bay under the bed for valuables and travel gear. As for performance, the 2026 Marchi Motorhome is powered by a turbocharged V8 hybrid drivetrain that delivers both raw power and surprising efficiency. With over 800 horsepower, it handles highways and mountain roads with confidence, while the electric assist system ensures quiet cruising in urban areas or campgrounds. Adaptive cruise control, 360-degree cameras, and lane centering all come standard. Price-wise, the Marchi is in a league of its own. Base models start at $1.8 million, with full customization packages pushing over $2.3 million. But for that price, you're getting the most advanced, stylish, and luxurious motorhome on the road. The 2026 Marchi Motorhome isn't just about travel, it's about traveling without compromise. Let us know what you think. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This is Carver's. See you next time.